For a number of years, Continental Airlines operated daily, non-stop service between Newark and Columbia, South Carolina. In 2009, Continental stopped flying that route for business reasons. It was a money loser. In September 2012, United Airlines, which by then had merged with Continental, reinstated non-stop service between Newark and Columbia. But the route was no longer a daily thing. Instead, every Thursday there was a flight around 6 in the evening from Newark to Columbia, and then the plane would fly back. On Monday mornings, about 6:30, there would be a flight from Columbia to Newark. That plane would have flown down the night before. Today, we can announce the reason that United restarted that money-losing route between Newark and Columbia, and the reason for that strange schedule. Earlier this afternoon, David Samson, the former chairman of the Port Authority, admitted in federal court that he knowingly and intentionally used his position as the chairman of the Port Authority to pressure United Airlines to provide that nonstop service from Newark to Columbia so that he could more conveniently fly to his home in Aiken, South Carolina. And he admitted that he did it by letting United know that he could have the Port Authority stall and withhold approval of things that were important to United's operations at Newark Airport. And Mr. Samson did not act alone. During his guilty plea, Mr. Samson acknowledged that United's own lobbyist in New Jersey was effectively the go-between who helped to orchestrate the strategy and deliver the message that Samson would take action against United if the airline didn't play ball. And so this afternoon, immediately after Mr. Samson's guilty plea, we filed a separate criminal complaint charging Jamie Foxx, who was not only a paid lobbyist and consultant for United, but was Mr. Samson's good friend. And we charged him with conspiracy to violate the same federal law that was the basis for the charge against Mr. Samson.
Public corruption is different from most other crimes in that it strikes at the heart of good government, but also jeopardizes the security of our communities and our nation. Public corruption erodes public confidence and diminishes the strength of our democracy.